Hi everyone, here is Sush app virtual pets. Let's just do a quick overview. It's an interesting app to play around, just to spend time. So the idea is that you have yourself and your friends here, and together you are raising a virtual pet. So yeah, there are all types of pets here. And then for example something like that, virtual sush, you can read the description of it. Yeah. um, and basically the idea is that you need to find friends here, so it's a cool app to look for some friends. uh, like for example here, you can just send some request, find your friend here, and then the friend will be invited to raise the sush together, to raise this pet. And you need to bring some attention and like feed the pet and all of that together. And it's a interesting just activity, like to maybe to spend with your partner or close friend or something like that, or just have fun. So instead of just sending like boring messages to each other, you just have like these paths which you should grow together. I didn't yet receive an acceptation, or here you have here. So someone accepted this sush, and then I'm just uh, growing this path together. So then I have these photo challenges. So share a photo of favorite drink, share a photo of moments. So this is just like a path. It's just like it's not about the path. It's just about spending some time together in the form of challenges, in the form of like sending different pictures, uh, going through some like topical challenges. Like, so then you can just bring these accessories to this sush. uh, so then you can just ping your friend, for example, or something like that, and then you will see that here is your pet, and you can just grow it together. um, and then there are also like some mini games which you can have fun around. So find a friend, name your sush, change wallpaper, stay alive today's feed your sush is allowed to keep it alive, and then you will evolve to the next level and to the next, and then you just reaching all these levels if you just completing all these previous missions together. So yeah, that's basically the idea of the app. Uh, so yeah, uh, that's basically the idea. Um, Now you have like you see some other person is changing wallpaper, so you can add random friends from all around the world. You can add some random people, or you can add just your friends, and then you can just message each other. Uh, so this concept is kind of similar to what like was popular in 90s, I guess, when there was like a Tamagotchi. That's where there was like a physical small device, like a pager. You needed to carry it with yourself, and then you needed to feed it every day. So I think that's basically the concept, but it's just as a mobile app. And then with your friend you can create like a second pad, third, fourth pad. And then also you can add a Sush widget on the home screen. So just uh, tap and hold, and then you will see apps jiggling, and then you can just add Sush widget, and then that's your virtual pet, which then yeah you can just tap. select specific pet from the list, and each pet is just one of your friends, and then yeah, you can just play with it. You can also share with yourself on Snapchat, so that's what you can do. Yeah, so something like that, that's the idea. Interesting app. I think it's going quite viral in Latin America or some other countries. It's not yet getting that much traction in United States, but it's growing in the list of top charts in the US App Store. So super interesting. Then you just have your account in top left. Then you see all of the messages, and then you can delete your account. From here you can reach out to support, you can change hardcore, you can change the language, and all of that. So in case you want to delete your account, all the data associated with your account will be deleted from our servers. It includes your username, profile picture, all the messages. So that's basically the idea. That's what you can do here. So something like that. Yeah, so hope that can be helpful, and it's an interesting app to check out, and yeah, so that's basically the idea. And then yeah, that's what you can do here. So yeah, that's what it is. Hope that can be helpful. And yeah, follow my other accounts. You can follow me on TikTok. You can also like this video and tap join in the bottom if you like this video, and subscribe. Join, you will just support my channel a bit. You can also follow my blog. I just randomly do some overviews of some interesting apps which you should check out and which can make your life a bit more interesting. So yeah, so that's just like a quick overview. Just here you can add friends, you can set some notifications if you want. Basically the idea. Hope that is helpful, and yeah, let's catch up each other in the next videos hopefully.